Social Cam. My homies. My family. The fam. Social Cam fam. Hey y'all. I'm getting ready to go out, and I'm supposed to have been at the party because it started around like 7. And I'm supposed to be bringing the chips and salsa, so I really gotta go. But I wanted to shoot this quick video. So yeah. Okay, so I was on FaceTime with my family, and I'm doing that because they ain't right. And I'm tag y'all too because I ain't calling you out. You know who you are. Anyway, while I was getting ready, and they told me that my outfit looked like it made me look like I was a boy, and I said, "Excuse me, I think I know how to dress myself. Thank you." Trying to do me, so I'm like, chill on me. Y'all can chill on Paris. You know what I'm saying, Social Cam? Y'all know what I'm saying. Anyway, yeah, so I had on this hat right here. Shout out to the home Mike for letting me rock with the hat. Tigers, hey. I had this on, and when I first put on the shirt, because you know when you're putting together an outfit, like you're trying stuff, you're seeing what you want to do, you know what I'm saying? I was seeing what kind of style I wanted to rock for that. So they were like, you look like a boy. I think it's just the hat. Like, no, you just look like a boy. Like, it's the hat. But I want to know what y'all think, Social Cam. So we can settle this right here and right now. Bring it to the people. You know what I'm saying? The people, and let you all, you know, decide. The choice is yours. No. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all with the hat on. I'm going to show you with the hat off. So this is my hair done. I'm going to show y'all before in case I mess it up. This is like a... oh, that little part but it's like twisted, like flat twisted up back into this little Gumby type sideways type hair thing. I don't know if y'all can tell. Can y'all tell it's supposed to be slanted? Because I don't want to be looking bold out here. I need to put a couple more bobby pins, but that's the gist of it. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna show you with the hat on. When I put the hat on, I understand that it looks like I don't have hair because all of this big thing here is up under the hat. But I'm gonna show y'all, and I think I still look like a girl because I have a girl's face, right? Also, I don't have on makeup yet, so that's. Anyway, here we go. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, that's it. That's not even. Hat, put it on front ways. Hat, outfit, okay? Hat with the outfit on. Just like pictures. Bow, with the shoes, and yes, hat, backwards, sideways, whatever. Okay, so this is without the hat on. Outfit, bow. And I got my purse. I got like a satchel type thing goes across the chest, so it's, you know, you can see I'm a girl, right? Tell them they wrong, Social Cam. Tell them they wrong. Y'all let me know. Family. Bye.